Yeah. So thanks everyone for joining the session and welcome to Tungabhadra Networks again. And yeah, so here we teach you Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto, and Linux and automation, all technologies which is related to networking domain. So what is Cisco? What is Juniper? And what is Palo Alto? You'll come to know all about all these vendors soon. Okay. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Ramesh. So I have total 12 years of experience now. From May, I crossed 12 years, and I worked in product-based companies called Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, Amazon. Currently, I'm also working in one of the reputed company. I'm working in a very big data center. Okay, as a senior NDE. So so as I said, right, this is not a institute, everyone. This is not at all an institute. So do not, compare with the institutes. It's completely industrial training with the real-time projects. Whatever you learn a small protocol, I will teach you like what is this protocol and where exactly you will use this protocol in real scenario, in real world scenario, how exactly will you implement. Once you implement this protocol, what kind of issues you will see and troubleshoot the things. So everything everything I will teach you with real world labs. Okay, so let's understand about this technology. As I said, right, it's all about internet. So let's understand how you will get internet. So simple, broadband connection. So you will take a broadband connection, right? Airtel Extreme or Geo Fiber or anything. So this is a fiber cable. What is the fiber cable? You will come to know. It's an input cable, the internet cable. Okay. So that will be given by your internet service provider called Airtel or Geo or Hathway, whatever it is, your local broadband as well. So it is a media converter. So it is connected to Ethernet and they will give you to you your Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi device. So you will connect through Wi-Fi and you will get the internet access, right? That is the one way. Other way is you are using 5G, Geo SIM or Airtel SIM, right? So you have a antenna at your mobile phone as well as mobile tower. So through wireless, through 5G, you will get a access, I mean internet access, right? Through wireless. However, if you see the bottom of the each tower, right, there is a small room. In that room you will see bunch of routers. Okay, whatever you will see the router at your home, Wi-Fi router, this Wi-Fi router will give you a internet connection up to 250 people. Okay, 250 plus. But the routers which are using in real world, they will give you internet connection up to 1 lakh 2 lakhs people. That's why the cost of those routers are very high. I will show you how those routers looks like. Okay, so once you completion of this course, right, you'll become a network engineer, and your roles and responsibilities, you need to configure, monitor, troubleshoot all the networking devices. I will show you one by one. Okay, so this is the ways to get internet connection. Is there any another way you can get internet connection other than these two methods? Can anyone guess it if you know? Other than these two methods?
Satellite.
Very good. Yeah,
Satellite.
satellite. So Elon Musk, right, he introduced, to get internet connection through
Satellite.
satellite, like how you are getting a Airtel, I mean like D2H, right? TV channels. How are you getting a TV channels? There is a antenna at the top of your building. From there, you will take a cable, and there is a modem at your home, and from there you will connect to the TV, right? So same way, internet also. There is an antenna on top of your home. From there, you'll get a signal to your Wi-Fi modem. From Wi-Fi modem, you can access the internet. Okay, this is how it is. So yeah, this is too costly currently. So yeah, they're planning to bring this technology in India as well. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So now let's understand how exactly internet works. So everyone using Instagram and YouTube, right? So suppose if you want to upload any photo or video in Instagram, what is the background process? Can anyone try to think in that way? I am accessing internet. I am typing www.google.com on my Google Chrome browser. Any website, tungabhadranetworks.com also. Whatever the website you type on your Google Chrome, how exactly it is displaying the web page? What is the background process? Have you think this kind of approach? So if you try to think now onwards, if you try to understand what is the background process, right? Here I will teach you everything step by step at packet level. So you'll get a very clear picture what is going inside the internet. Okay. So consider, let's understand. Now I will give you high level overview. There is a laptop or mobile phone. You downloaded the Instagram application. So everyone using Instagram, right? That's why I kept here Instagram and YouTube. So suppose you uploaded a photo
Yes,
in,
Ramesh.
yeah, you uploaded a photo in Instagram. So the photo is started uploading in your photo, I mean phone, right? So from your phone memory to it is uploading to Instagram server. So where exactly all your information will store? Instagram server. The server is located in somewhere in this world. Suppose it is located in Mumbai. Just example. This Instagram server is located in Mumbai. Okay. And you are sitting at Hyderabad or wherever you are. You have internet access. You are uploading a image. That image will travel. First, it will go to your Wi-Fi router, and then your internet service provider will have also a routers, but not like a Wi-Fi router. They have a very big routers. The cost of those routers is 2 lakhs, 3 lakh rupees. The cost of our home Wi-Fi router is just 1500 to 2000 rupees. But in the real world, the cost of the routers will be 2 to 3 lakhs. It will in data center they use very big routers. The cost of those routers is 1 crore also. I will show you all the devices in the next slide. So just understand whatever you upload the image, right? It will go to service provider, and from service provider to every 30 to 40 kilometers, they will install a router. Okay. So from Hyderabad to Mumbai, how many kilometers? Suppose 1000 kilometers. At every 30 kilometers, they will install a router, and those routers are connected through fiber cable, optical fiber cable. If you see recently right in Hyderabad, so Telangana government want to remove all the fiber cables on the poles because of the issues, right? The black color cables called fiber cables. So in the city, they will lay the fiber over the poles. However, for longer distance, they will lay the fiber through underground. When you see, right, if some any underground work is going on, you may see the yellow color, orange color pipes. Does anyone observe those pipes? Have you seen in your life? If you're traveling anywhere on the road, right, beside the road, if any underground construction, I mean anything, any work is going on, you will see those kind of pipes. Anyone observe? Does anyone observe that kind of pipes? That is called fiber cable. They lay the fiber through underground. Okay. And some of them lay the fiber through transmission lines. Have you seen the 440 volts transmission lines? Bada wala, big ones. The transmission lines. You know, transmission lines means this is a transmission line. Okay. A trans. If you see this one, have you seen these poles, everyone? You're familiar with this, right, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Ramesh.
sir.
So,
Yes.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Yes,
yeah. If you see, right, this is power cable. This is power cable. What about this, the middle one? This middle one is the fiber cable, not a power cable. Okay. So, whatever
Okay.
you see, right, this black color
dark
cables,
fiber.
yeah, dark fiber cable. Okay. So, there are a lot of ways to, to lay the fiber. Okay. So at every 30 to 40 kilometers, you may see the tower. So Geo tower or Airtel tower will be there at the top of the building, right? Or anywhere. So every 30 to 40 kilometers, they are in orthogonal spectrum. So they will install the tower. Okay. So what I'm saying is, till to reach that Instagram server, you may see in number of routers at every 30 to 40 kilometers. Okay. And between them, this optical cable is connected, and that's also whatever you are uploading in data, right? Whether your resume or your photo or video, it is traveling across these devices, and it will store in Instagram server. Okay. Why am I explaining all this? You'll come to know in the next slide, because this is our roles and responsibilities to carry this data and send it to the server. The routers are the responsible persons. We are the persons who maintain all this. Huge demand, guys, for us. Okay. Yeah, fine. Next slide. So see, This is a data center, how exactly it look like. Okay. This is a data center. You see, right? Bunch of racks here. In this racks, you will see server. If you see, right? This is the Instagram storage server. See, this is called what? Hard disk. Yes or no? People, you might see the hard disk, right? This is having 1 TB, 1024 TB means 1 petabyte. So huge. It will store huge data. This is Instagram servers. In this rack, you will see lot of storage servers. How many people are using Instagram? How many people are uploading the data every day? Whoever is uploading the photos, videos, everything will store here. Unlimited data. There is no limit to upload. Yes or no? So it will store everything here. These are the storage servers. See, this is all server and these all are hard disks. So these all are storage servers. This is how the data center looks like. It's a small data center. Okay. So yeah. Oh my goodness. One second. So this is Google data center. See here. Everyone able to see clearly, right? This is a Google data center. See how big it is. These all are live racks. And whatever you see here, right? These are all are servers. If you closely observe, these servers are connected to routers where top of rack, we used to call top of rack, tower devices. See, are you seeing these devices here, everyone? This device here and here. Are you seeing it? Are you able to see
Yes,
here?
Ramesh.
These devices called routers. All these servers, whatever the website we have, right? Whatever the website, Tungabhadra Networks website, you need a server, application server. These are the servers. You have a different services. Those services will be installed on the server. Storage services, application services. For all services, you have servers. These servers are connected to the networking devices. So once you learn all about networking technologies, you will work on these devices in data center. Even nowadays, everyone is using AI. ChatGPT, Gemini, OpenAI, and DeepSeek. There are Perplexity. There are a lot of AIs. Okay, each AI need a data center. Okay, so though in AI, right, they are using NVIDIA devices. If you see, right, NVIDIA in Instagram, if you see the NVIDIA CEO is launching, lot of products, right? If you are a very techie guy, you may heard about NVIDIA. Does anyone heard about NVIDIA? Right? Yes or no? NVIDIA
Yes,
GPUs.
Ramesh.
So behind the AI, those are the devices. They will carry the huge data. I will show you in the next slide. All devices are connecting to either server or AI devices or anything. They are connected to the networking devices. Without these, they cannot communicate at all. So to work AI, they need us. Who need us? They need AI team need network engineers. Okay. Yeah. So these all are tower devices. Okay. Yeah. Why I know all these things? Because I have been working in these technologies. I'm still working behind these AI data centers and other stuff. Okay. So that's why I have a lot of practical knowledge. I worked as a tech engineer. I worked with the global customers like AMR. AMR means US customers, UK customers, APAC countries, throughout world. I worked with a product called Cisco, Juniper, Nokia. So in Amazon also, when I was in Amazon, we have a lot of warehouse IDs. I have a lot of practical knowledge. I want to give all my practical knowledge to you guys, and I want to see you everyone in good product based company. Okay, this is an example. These are the devices where network engineers are you know working on it. Okay, so now this is okay. This is a Google data center. That is fine. Now, how internet works in this world? Okay, suppose there is a match is going on, England versus India in London. How are you watching on live? If something is happening in US, you're watching on live. Wherever in this country, wherever in this world, if anything happening, right, you're watching on live. How it is possible? Because in this world, all the countries are connected each other. How they are connected each other? With fiber cables. These are the fiber cables. It's not a snake, guys. It's a ocean fiber cable. Okay, internet cable, fiber cable. You may learn about this fiber cable in during intermediate also. Intermediate first year or second year, you have a fiber core and cladding. Or if you're a BTech student, there is a fiber optical communication subject is there. Have you heard in your education, during your education, the core and cladding, guys? Does anyone heard about it? Optical, laser. You played with
Yes,
laser, right? Yeah, you played with
yes,
laser, right?
Ramesh.
When you are in childhood, you played with laser, right? The laser can travel up to some distance. Yes, exactly. You know, the thing is, everything you know already, but you are not aware of, okay, these are the things currently behind the internet. Yeah, I'm here to help you, and I'm here to understand in a better way to explain these topics. Okay, so how exactly the entire countries in this world connecting each other through fiber cables? So how they are connecting, see here, there is a special ships. Okay, we have a special ships to lay the fiber cables, big cables at your see. If you see your home, right, it's a small cable, but it's a very big cable. You will see a lot of cores inside. Okay, between the countries through ocean, under ocean, they will lay this cable. Okay, see here, these are the cables. We have a special machines. Look at this here. So in this cable, right, whatever you see, right, these all are cores, fiber cores. They made with glass. Here, the data will travel in the form of light. What is the light speed? 3 into 10 to the power of,
8.
very good, brother. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It means we can send the data at light speed. However, we don't have hardware to support that speed. In the year of 10 years back, just imagine, we have a 3G, 2012, 2013, right? They introduced 3G. We have a speed now 4G, 5G. Why we are, if you're seeing, right, 10 years back, if you want to download a movie, it will take 1 day or 6 hours. Now, within 2 minutes, you are able to download the movie, 1 GB movie. How it is possible? Because the companies are manufacturing the hardware device to support that much of speed. Okay. So still, just imagine 10 years back, you're not able to download the movie in 2 minutes. Now you're able to download the movie in just 2 minutes. Just imagine after 10 years, everything, home appliances, your home fan, AC, TV, whatever it is, you can control through your mobile phone. Technology is evolving a lot. Everything is behind, with the use of internet. Okay, yeah. So the thing is, these are the fiber cables, these are the cores. To protect these cores, these are the claddings. Okay, see, steel, iron steel, why they made with this good steel? Because through ocean you will see sharks, right? To protect from shark bites, they made with a good quality. Okay, in case if fiber cut happen under the ocean, it is very difficult to do splicing to join the cable. They will pay in a huge way, in amount, big amount. They will pay in a, they will pay a very big amount to join that cable. Okay, you know what, this is how the countries are connecting. Now shall we see how India is connected with other countries, how we are getting internet? Are you ready now? Let's see that. So this is a India map. You can write. So the India is connected to different countries at Mumbai location, and Kochi, Trivandrum to Maldives here, Tuticorin to Sri Lanka, Chennai to Malaysia and other countries. These are the 5 locations where India is connected with other countries through fiber. That's how, in entire this world, how many countries are there? All the countries are connected to each other through fiber cable. That's how the data is traveling at light speed. You're able to watch the any match or anything on live without any delay. Okay, this is the behind the internet. You got a clear picture, I hope, at least at high level now. So this is called internet exchange points. Internet exchange points. Okay, so if I want to sell a vegetable, right, I will go to a supermarket, I mean a vegetable market. I will purchase 100 kg tomato wholesale with just 200 rupees, and I will sell here. Each kg is equal to 10 rupees. So that's how I earn the profit. Similarly, so-called local broadband connections like Hathway or Act or any fiber Airtel or someone, right? They can purchase a internet speed from these internet exchange points. These are the tier 1 ISPs, and they will purchase it and they will give a internet connection to users. So in India, right, we have a Airtel and Jio and BSNL. So these all three service providers, they laid the fiber to each and every rural area through underground. So wherever you go, Airtel will work, right? It means they already established a fiber cable entire in India, wherever you go in rural areas, Geo also, they laid the fiber cable through underground and they're giving internet connection. Okay. So that's how it is working, guys. Okay. This is how exactly India is connected with another countries, and this is how exactly we are receiving a internet. So from through wire, right? Here you have a mobile tower. You can see this is a mobile tower. So mobile tower, you will get a input connection through wire only. From mobile tower to your mobile phone, it is a wireless. That's it. But everything is through wired only. Okay. Yeah. So these are the devices. Okay. I want to show you one thing here. To Mumbai to Chennai, suppose consider there are 1,000 kilometers. You played with laser, right? So the fiber cable. So the fiber cable, the laser will travel in the fiber cable. Laser. So laser means light, right? So light also will it will travel for some distance. After that, it will disappear, right? Yes or no? It will travel for some distance and it will disappear. It means the signal strength of this light will be reduced, right? Going forward. So here also, when you connect a fiber cable, right, the light laser can travel up to 100 kilometers. After 100 kilometers, the signal will weak. You need to boost the signal to travel till Mumbai. So at every 100 kilometers, they use these DWDM devices. Double DWDM technology, DWDM, ECE candidates, they understand this. Okay. Dense wavelength division
Yes,
multiplexing.
ma'am.
Yeah. So ECE candidates, right? Whatever you studied, you will work on these things. I'm a ECE candidate. Okay. So nowadays, whatever you studied is something, whatever you work is something, right? For ECE, CSE students, it is good. I'm telling you. So to get this job, any degree is fine. Just telling you. It's the advantage for ECE, CSE students. Okay. Yeah. So these are the DWDM devices, physical devices. These devices are manufactured by Cisco company or Huawei, Juniper. There are a lot of companies who can manufacture all these devices. So top is Cisco. So the top vendor is Cisco. Like our mobile phones manufacture companies are Apple and Samsung, right? These are the top vendors like OnePlus. Similarly, these hardware devices, networking devices can be manufactured by Cisco and Juniper devices. Okay. Yeah. So these are the optical devices. These devices can boost the signal again up to 100 kilometers. This is 10 years peak. When I was working in a data center, I have taken this peak. It's a 10 years old peak. Now we have a DWDM devices. They can boost the signal up to 400 kilometers. Okay. The technology evolving it, guys. Okay. These are the DWDM devices. These are the optical network, optical devices. We have a separate team to control this optical stuff. Okay. Yeah. So now everyone knows AI, AI, AI. So artificial intelligence cannot take over networking jobs. So because artificial intelligence need us. So these are the devices. NVIDIA GB200. Are you seeing it, guys? It's a very big rack network. You will see you are trying to ask something in ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Gemini, right? The input, not only you, entire in this world, there are lakhs of people who are using all these AI chart boxes. All the customer traffic will hit to data center. Who will handle those data? These devices. If you see, right, these are the big
Your
name.
network is not good. We're
What's that?
not able to hear.
Everyone? Is it happening for everyone? Not able to hear me?
No, sir.
No,
Your
no, it's
voice.
good.
Right.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, maybe brother, it's at your end. Maybe issue at your end. Okay. Everyone can hear me. Please check with your internet connection. Can you hear me now? All?
Yes, Ramesh, you are
Yeah.
getting in and out. You're not
Yeah.
able
Sir,
to hear you properly.
very
Yes,
clear.
yes.
Awesome. Fantastic. So behind the AI,
Sir,
right? Behind the AI, these are the devices they are using it. Now in Andhra Pradesh, Google is trying to build a AI data center in Visakhapatnam. Do you heard that news, guys? Right? So check
yes,
it.
sir.
Yeah. So it's required
Yes, yes.
lot of water, lot of stuff, hell lot of things it requires. Okay. So if you see, right, these are the GBUs. GBUs and CPUs. There are two different things. CPU means Intel Core i7 processor. These are the CPUs. They will execute the task one by one by one. But GBUs, they will execute the task at a time. Multiple tasks it will do. So that's why for rendering, right, video, editing, everyone using graphics cards. So that is a GPU. So this is also whatever the people are generating images right in ChatGPT also. So how come they will perform all the incoming requests? These are the powerful machines. Okay. So why I'm saying is this NVIDIA and the networking, these are also a networking device. Okay. So these devices are connecting to, see this yellow color cables. All the cables are the RJ45 cables. All are connecting to where? Our networking devices, routers and switches. Okay. So if AI should work properly, they need whose help? Network engineer help. Okay, we need to make sure their data should travel properly end to end. Okay, so whoever is developing front end with AI, ML languages, nodes, lot of things, that is the front end stuff. The back end, no one is talking about back end. Okay, so the simple in real world, right? So when you are in hard, when you are struggling to success, right? During your struggling days, no one will support you, no one will talk about it. Once you succeeded, all your relatives, hey, this guy is my relative, my person. Everyone will, they will show you a lot of affection, lot of love. Yes or no, guys, right? So that's same thing. The back end, no one is talking about it. The only real person knows about the back end. Back end is networking. Front end, everyone is talking about front end because with AI/ML languages, they are developing all the models and all. Okay. Anyhow, I'm here to give you a good knowledge at backend, how exactly it happens, the things, importance of the backend. Okay. Yeah, this is the things, guys. These are the NVIDIA devices, servers, routers who can handle all the AI stuff. Okay. Yeah. So I told you, right, there are a routers at every 30 kilometers. We install a routers. If you see it mobile tower, right? So let me show you here. Mobile tower room. There is a small room. So if you see, right, everywhere. So this is a room. Are you seeing it? Cellular. Okay, this is a room. Okay, every tower, right? Guys, you're understanding me what I'm saying here? There is a tower. Inside this bottom of the tower, there is a small room. See, these are rooms. Are you seeing the rooms? Inside that room, what you will see? See, these are the networking devices you will see. See, these are the devices you will see. Okay, inside the room, these are the networking devices you will see. See, ASR 920, ASR 903 routers. These are the routers you will see.
Okay.
Who will work on these routers? We are the network engineers. We will do that. Okay. So the cost of these routers are 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Okay. Only the box. And there is a modules inside the routers. Those are also very costly. So this will give you an internet connection to all the entire district. So I'm staying in my Kurnool district. In my Kurnool district in the city, we have a tower, mobile tower. So it is giving a internet connection, voice services to all my district people. There are 1 lakh to 2 lakh people are staying in my Kurnool city. So if in case if anything happened to this router, everyone will affected. It's a huge loss for Airtel or Jio. So to log in this device and accessing, configuring everything, no one is giving you access to you if you're a fresher. Even though if you're a working experienced candidate, until you get a proper experience, 2 years at least, Until you become expert, they will not allow you to touch. But here for you, I have a lot of devices. I purchased devices, okay, for you. So just check, you know, there are a lot of videos in my Instagram. So a lot of people are coming to my office and they're learning the things at practical level. Okay. So if you see Tungabhadra networks, right? So there is a devices. Okay. See here. Okay. Are you seeing it? This is a devices in our office. Live devices. We have a rack. Are you seeing it, guys? So I am giving you practical exposure to you. I purchased all these big devices and I build a real world infrastructure for you. And now you can log in, you know, this devices belongs to you. You can do anything. The only thing is don't break it. Just practice it. And whatever you do, I can troubleshoot it. In case if you do any mistake also, no problem. I'll take care of it. Because I worked on those products. Okay. So come here, see a lot of students are coming here and practicing it. Okay, so then you'll get a live exposure. These are the devices, same devices you will see, right? So the cost of these devices are very high. And yeah, so it's a great privilege to you to, especially for freshers and experienced candidates and non-technical people, work on live devices. I will give you all real world labs. Go there and practice it and you'll get a real exposure. That's how my students are succeeded in all product based companies. People who aren't working in non-technical also, I'll show you those people who are done. So these are the routers and these are the switches. In any company, right? In Infosys or TCS, we have employees 10 to 50 or 200, 300 employees. In each floor, there are employees and they have a computer, right? All computers are connected to this switch. This is called switch device. This device, will give you internet connection to all the computers, your CC cameras, your servers, your computers, network printers, everything will be connected to this switch. This switch is connected to a router. Router means this is a device. Okay. So this is a hierarchy architecture. I'll explain in class. Okay. So why I'm showing all these devices means once you completion of this course, you will become a network engineer and you will work on all these devices. Okay. And this is a firewalls. Firewall is very important. People are doing work from home. How they are doing work from home? They're connecting a VPN. So definitely each and every company use a firewall. So there are a lot of vendors in to manufacture these firewalls. Cisco, Juniper, Checkpoint, Fortinet. But out of these, Palo Alto is the number one vendor in firewall. So we are giving Palo Alto training. That Palo Alto course, especially security course, completely the security course will be given by Palo Alto TAC engineer. The advantage of learning Palo Alto firewall is if you want to move in future cyber security, it's a great foundation. Okay, lot of cyber security people are learning here. They learn at packet level. What do you mean by packet level? I will show you. Okay, so they will learn everything at packet level. They will learn security. They will learn everything, and they're learning, tools, penetration tools, and other tools. I'm also launching cyber security, but not right now. It will take 2 months. Yeah. So yeah, so these are the big routers, switches, firewalls. Once you completion of this course, you will work on these devices to provide internet services to customers, corporate companies, and whatever it is, enterprise, data center, and you know, service provider. What is enterprise? What is data center? What is service provider? You will come to know soon during class. Okay, this is a behind the internet, guys. Okay, now these are the Juniper vendor. So to manufacture all these routers and switches, we have a lot of vendors. Okay, Cisco is top. Cisco is top. After Cisco, Juniper is top. So Cisco, Juniper, these two vendors, they are using, in a lot of people are using these two devices. Okay, Juniper especially they use in service provider and data center because the packet processing is based on the hardware. Now, guys, this Juniper company was acquired by HP company. Now we don't call Juniper, we used to call HPE. So HPE, Hewlett Packard, everyone knows it. Everyone just think about HP is a just laptop manufacturer. No, HP can manufacture servers. HP HP will manufacture routers. It's a very big vendor. Okay, now they bought Juniper. They're coming with a big plan. And they have Aruba also. Aruba is a wireless devices, access points. So HP is a big vendor. So I'm giving a training on these devices. So it's a whole package. So after completion of this course, the 10 years experience candidate, whatever the knowledge he has, right, multi-vendor knowledge, everything I will give you here. So I have been in this industry and I know what is required for all people. So there is no bifurcation here, freshers and experience. I'm giving a equal knowledge. Okay. But I design a courses based on the freshers and experience. I'll show you. Okay. These are the vendors. So now you understand, right? So I will give you Juniper training, and Juniper, we have a JNCIA course. Okay. Juniper Network Certification Internet Associate. We have a CCNA in Cisco. Okay. CCNA will teach you at CCIE level, everything. And for Juniper, right, I will provide you a global certification. Okay. So I worked in Juniper. I will give you training at high level. And the cost of Juniper certification is $236. But I will conduct a exam. If you pass that exam, 100% you will pass that exam. After passing that exam, you will get a $155 discount. So it means within 5,000 rupees, you will get a global certification. Once you have done a global certification, you can use that company logo on your resume and you will see a lot of importance. Okay. So whatever the training I'm giving here, right? Just cross check in Naukari. Naukari is a portal where you can apply the jobs. Based on skills, you can apply, right? So type here. So CCNA or Juniper, JNCIA. Okay. See here, JNCIA network engineer. So if you learn this course, do you have a jobs or not? Check it here. See here. Hell lot of jobs. Okay. Hell lot of jobs you have. Open any job. See here. JNCAR CCNA. Why they are mentioning only CCNA or JNCA? Why they do not mention Huawei is there, Arista is there? There are a lot of vendors, but they are not mentioning others. They are mentioning CCR, CCNA or Juniper, because these two are top vendors. People doesn't know about Juniper because nobody is working on that. Very few people. I'm lucky I worked it, and I'm explaining here. So to do a CCNA certification, it is cost of 35,000 rupees. Examination fee only 35,000 rupees. Okay. However, the exam is very tough. After a lot of people asking a question, after completion of this course, can I do CCNA certification? Yes, you can do, because I'm giving that much of knowledge. However, the time will not sufficient. They are giving only 3 hours to you. 3 hours or 2.5 hours. Yeah. The time will not sufficient because they're giving you questions like in a very big way. You, after reading the question, you maybe answer it, but the time will not sufficient. You will fail. If you fail, 35,000 will lose. So that's why people are giving money to the examination centers and they're writing it for them. Okay. So the thing is, that is a ground level reality. A lot of people are not doing by their own. I don't encourage that. That's why I'm not recommended to do a CCNA certification, because it's a scam, to be honest. So why? If you do a CCNA certification, the company will get advantage. So you will be part of Cisco. If you do a CCNA certification, you will be part of Cisco, so that if the company try to purchase any router, right, they will get a 20% discount. By using your certification, they will purchase a product and they will get a 20% discount. And also, if you do a certification, they will tell to a client, hey, I have a certified candidates. Give me a project. So they're using you. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, I'm telling you the truth. Okay. So if really Cisco want to encourage the students, they should give some discounts to a talented people. But it is completely business. So when you will do CCNA certification, if the company requires a CCNA certification, they will pay for you. You can reimburse. So I have done a lot of certifications, but I didn't spend single penny from my account. Companies paid for me. Okay. So if it's a genuine company, they will pay for you to do certification. Okay. However, to JNCIA, you'll get a certification with very low cost, right? 5,000 rupees. It's just matter of two pairs of cloths, two pairs of cloths cost. And if you invest on your right, if you invest on education, right, it will give you lot of things back, man. I'm telling you, invest on your education. So invest on education. Education is a thing. It will change entire your life. Example, my life. My father is an auto driver. We used to we used to stay in what we call Kottam. In Telugu, they used to call Kottam, okay? So we don't have proper house. I used to drive auto, okay? When I was studying intermediate, I used to drive auto, and I used to earn at least 1,000 rupees per day at that time. Also, I went a catering. So I came from nothing, but education changed my life. Now I'm here. Now I establish a company. Now, I'm here in front of you, providing jobs to you, providing good knowledge to you. Almost 250 candidates got selected, and that is only freshers during these 8 months. I'm here. So education will, your parents are did a lot of hard work to complete your education. However, after 16 years of hard work, you're not getting job. So that's why I came here to give you good knowledge, and yeah. So the thing is, don't think about, if anyone is giving a good education, proper thing to you, don't think about it, invest on it, okay? So JNCA certification is very valuable, I'm telling you, okay? Please do that certification, okay? So once you do certification, right? So you will get a certification like this. Recently, one of my students, he passed the exam. So recently, at what date it is? The date August 24th. Okay, just 10 days, 15 days back, he passed it. Lot of students passed it. See this guy August 24th, this guy August 17th, see this guy July 31st. Lot of people are writing. Still, people are writing now. This guy is August 27th. Okay, so people are passing it, and it is advantage for them because HP company acquired Juniper, and we don't know, they are giving a offer, right? $155 discount. We don't know next time it will be there or not. Utilize this opportunity and do that, okay? So yeah, so where are we now? Here, these devices vendors, okay? So now what kind of job opportunities you will get, I'll let you know. So why networking is important, right? To provide internet services to the customers, okay? You will see the racks, bunch of racks in your NOC environment as well as data center environment. You will see bunch of racks and devices and servers, okay? Yeah, this is the stuff. So these are all our vendors who created, manufactured those devices. And Nokia, everyone thinks about Nokia is only manufactured Dabba phone. No, guys, that is just 1%. Nokia is manufacturing 5G antennas in Chennai. Nokia is manufacturing routers. Bharti Airtel, check it. It is using Nokia routers. Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea. Lot of people are using it. Cisco is the vendor who manufacture all these devices. Huawei, entire China is using Huawei devices. In India also they are using Juniper, Arista devices. There is a lot of vendors. Okay, these are the top. Who is top? Cisco and Juniper. So Juniper is completely Linux-based operating system. Everyone is developing. See, if you have a hardware, you should have an operating system, right? That operating system is developing by using Linux kernel, FreeBSD Linux kernel. So that's why here I'm teaching Linux for networking, not for administration. Linux for networking. Even NVIDIA devices also they're using Linux. That's why Linux is very, very, very important. I added here in this course. I'll tell you the core internship project. I'll tell you. Okay. So these all are the vendors. They have their own certifications. The top one is Cisco and Juniper. Okay. So once you learn this uh, technology, right, you'll get a job as a network engineer in data center. This is one role. So I worked at this. So this is me, guys. In the year of 2016, there is a project in Andhra Pradesh, APSFL. The data center is located in Vizag. I worked at that project. We build the data center. See, this is me in the year of 2016. Whatever I'm touching, right? These are the DNS DHCP servers, and these are the lot of racks, blade servers, DMZ zone. Lot of things are there. So I had a lot of exposure on this. Okay, so you worked as a data center. So I started my journey as a network engineer in data center. Okay. Now network analyst. Network analyst is a role where in your organization, a small company, if anything happen, any threats or any networking issues happen, right? You need to prepare a document analysis, root cause analysis, and you need to make sure you need to monitor, troubleshoot, and make sure if any issue occurred, so you have to work on it to avoid that same issue should not occur in future. Okay. So that analyst, network analyst, and is NOC engineer. This is a common platform, common rule for all freshers. They are all freshers. So initially you will get a job as a NOC engineer. NOC engineer means so in data center, just just guess it. In data center, how many networking devices you will see? What do you think? In one data center, how many networking devices will be there? Just guess it. Any count.
10,000.
Okay, 10,000. Okay, fantastic. It will be more than 1 lakh devices. Currently, so when I was working in Amazon, right, 90,000. Only one region there are 90,000 devices. See, all these 90,000 networking devices, you cannot, how, if anything happened to those devices, how you will come to know? So this is a monitoring tool they will use. Okay. If anything happened to those devices, immediately you will get a alert. Based on the alert, you will get a ticket and NOC engineers can work on it. They will check the ticket and they will talk to a field engineers. Hey, this device went down. Go to this rack and check on this device. They'll coordinate each other. They will fix the issues. Okay. So if you get an opportunity to work as an NOC engineer, just work for 1 year. If you work as a NOC engineer for more years, you'll not get any knowledge. So outside, if you go with the resume with NOC experience, people will not consider. I'm telling you, lot of NOC engineers join here. They learn their real-time project, and I gave them real-time projects. I removed them NOC profile. I gave them a complex profile to them. They updated in their resume, and they join in a product base and other good companies with 300, 200 hike. If you mention only your NOC responsibilities, you will get a hike 20%, 30% only. Okay. So I'm not sure how many people are here as a NOC engineer. Does anyone here as a NOC engineer? Anyone here by any
Yes,
chance?
yes, Ramesh.
How long you're working in a NOC role?
3 plus.
Brother, please try to quickly move. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So yeah. So yeah. So this is a thing, knock role. Okay. And then another role is L1 network engineer. Okay. So L1 network engineer means maybe you will you'll join in any company. They will not give you full access. They will just give you only read only access to you. You cannot execute anything. You can just check the show commands and basic things you will do as a L1 network engineer. And network administrator, any hospital we need a network engineer, any government offices, any bank also you need a network engineer to control all the, in bank also you will have a routers and switches, right? All the CC cameras, it's a big mall, Asian mall or MB mall, there are a lot of CC cameras, all the cameras are connected to a switch, that switch is connected to a router. So network admin, each and every big, even in a colleges also, here whoever is working as assistant professors, okay, and whoever is working in a government offices, everyone. So doesn't matter, every non-technical people can move to this technical domain because wherever you go there is an internet. So you can easily tell them, hey, I worked as a network administrator. People may concern about designation. No, designation doesn't matter. If you join in any Infosys, they will not give you as a software engineer role. They will simply mention system engineer. System engineer, senior system engineer. What does it mean? It means you may be a network engineer, you may be a software engineer, or you may be anything. Designation doesn't matter. Even they mention sales doesn't matter. Just tell them. Initially, they gave me this designation, then I moved to the technical team. The designation doesn't change. So all the thing is you want to prove yourself in interview. In interview, they will ask you all real-time stuff, what exactly you have done. Here you will learn everything on real time, right? So you can easily crack it. A lot of people are already cracking it. What about BGC? BGC, they will only check whether you are an employee of that company or not. That's it. They will not check which technology you work, under which manager you work. No one will check that. They will only check whether you are an employee of that company or not. That's it. Okay. So learn a technology. Lot of people are doing that thing only. So when you join in any company, you will not work on all the technologies, guys. So whatever you learn during interview process, after joining a company, you will forget everything. This is a life cycle process. Okay. So what I'm saying to all non-technical people or technical people, do a core internship year so that you will get a 10 years of experience knowledge. we will give you a resume, we'll give you a lot of projects, mention that in your resume. We'll take internal interviews. We personally refer to the product-based companies, as well as you can get also calls from Naukri or LinkedIn mainly. Okay. So network administrator generally you will see in hospitals, small companies, all where they have a small network, they can maintain everything. Okay. So now network engineering service provider. Currently, we tied up with a lot of companies. Most of the companies are service provider. We are sending the engineers in service provider environment. If you get an opportunity to work in service provider, please work it, because I have been in service provider environment for 4 years. That's why I learn a lot. Okay. This is another role. These all are the roles, guys. Once you learn these technologies, network engineer, NOC engineer, network analyst, L1 network engineer, network administrator, and TAC engineer. This is a high-end role. This is a high-end role in networking domain. Okay. So this TAC engineer you will see in product-based company. And what do you mean by product-based company and service-based company? Service-based companies are TCS, Cognizant, and Wipro. These are all service-based companies. These companies all work for product-based companies. Suppose Cisco is a product-based company. Cisco will give a project to Infosys. Infosys will work accordingly. So the thing is, you may heard about clients, right? In Infosys, TCS clients. Who are those? These are the product-based companies are the clients for them. Okay. So if you join in any TCS, right? 12 years back, fresher salary was 25,000. Now also it's 25,000. So what is the, they're using us as a slaves. I'm telling you, they will hire you in a bulk environment. Lot of people are not having knowledge. Oh, TCS is a government job. Infosys is a MNC company. No, man. I'm telling you, if you get a job in MNC companies, don't join at all. Instead of joining in MNC companies, join a startup company. Startup company, how they will give you everything, access to you. You can learn a lot. If you join in any MNC company, they will train you for 11 months. They will put a lot of tests. Even that 11 months, right? What they will train you based on your interest. That is not, they will not, they will train you. Suppose you are interested in Java, they will not give you training on Java. They will give you CCNA. They will hire bulk of people. They'll pick randomly. They will give technologies without concerning about candidate interest. So even candidate is personally going to ask HR, BP, I mean the training HR, and please map to this technology. They're not even consider it. Very rare cases actually. Okay. So they will train you for 11 months. After clearing all assessments, you will be in bench. After successfully completion of your training, they will not give you a project. They will put you in bench. And now you in bench means, so you're ready to take any project. So now what happened, you have to attend for client interviews. And earlier days, there will be a number of chances. Now there is no chances. Like if you are in bench for 35 days, they will lay off. That's what you see right in Instagram as well, wherever you see. Okay, the thing is, when I was working in Infosys, people who are working for 4 years, right, in bench, they still survive. But nowadays it's not like that. Okay. So I really recommend it to you guys. If you experienced candidates also, if you get a opportunity with the MNCs, talk to them. His client is ready or not. Even though if you selected right, they will put you in bench. Okay. It's not good. Instead, you can join in any networking company as a startup or a product or whatever it is. So service based companies, they will give you just 25,000 per month, but product based give you salary 1 lakh per month. Okay. For same role, same purpose. And in product based companies, you will have a lot of facilities. Your mind will blown. So I worked in Amazon. I worked in a couple of product based companies, but Amazon was fantastic, the infrastructure and everything. You will felt like, it's like a very precious and all. And apart from that, the technology. So in your career, right, there is only one thing: technical growth and financial growth. If you technically grow, ఫినాన్స్ విల్ కమ్ ఆటోమేటికలీ. డబ్బులు అవంతకవే వస్తాయి, టెక్నికల్గా గ్రో అవుతాయి ఆటోమేటిక్గా. ఓకే. సో ట్రై టు ఎయిమ్ ఫర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీ, నాట్ ఫర్ సర్వీస్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీస్. ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్, ఓకే, టు రెడ్యూస్ ద ఫ్రెషర్ కీవర్డ్, యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ఎనీ కంపెనీ. ఓకే. So please concentrate on technical part, that to product based. My aim is to provide jobs everyone to maximum product based companies. It's very easy in this domain to get into a product base because we have a lot of vendors. See, Cisco, Palo Alto, Juniper, FI, Microtech, Google, Oracle, Fortinet, Palo Alto, Barracuda. So these all are networking, products. So if you enter into this technology, it's very easy to enter into the product based company after having 4 years of experience. Okay, so aim for it. And tech engineer is a person who can good at technically as well as product. So I have worked as a tech engineer for 4.5 years. Okay, so yeah, so this is me. I told you, right, 2016 data center, whatever you see, right, this is a ASR 9K device. See, it is almost 5 feet. This device is 1 crore rupees at the time only. And whatever you see, this device is ASR 920. This device is ASR 903. All are Cisco routers. I worked there. So in data center, so what, there is another role called cloud network engineer. So if you work in a cloud environment, that's a cloud network engineer. That's it. Nothing else. It's the same stuff. Okay. So this is a pic when I worked in Amazon data center pic. How cool it is, right? Okay. Yeah. So guys, very important to freshers. Okay. So in this domain, you will have a lot of jobs. Okay. For degree, diploma, BTech and all. Okay. So guys, here we have a field jobs also. Field means you can just go to the site and do your work. In the field only you will learn a lot because you will see the real devices, you will work on it. Especially for boys, I'm talking about. Lot of people are underestimating about field job. Hey, field, I don't want to go. Guys, you never know the power of field. See, let me explain about me. I'm not trying to influence you. I want to tell you the truth by showing my career and my success. You can see everything here, right? Where I was and where I am right now. Okay. So see here, 2016, I worked for a government project for treasury department. You will see this kind of racks. You will see in banks also, right? Banks, hospitals, wherever you go, you will see this kind of racks. Are you seeing this kind of racks, guys? Freshers or all, guys? Anyone here?
Yes, Ramesh. Yes.
Right? So these are the networking devices. I used to, travel to the site and go there and install these routers and configuring it. I worked here for 2 years. Then I moved to service provider. See, this is me, service provider. So 2016, right? I build a data center in along with the team, Cisco professional service team and all. I was part of that building a data center. Once done, we went to the field. We did all this stuff. See, these are DWM devices, right? It will boost the signals, and these are the ASR 9Ks. So this is me at the time. So I was in the field for 4 years. I also felt the same thing. Hey, I want to be in a good environment. So now I got an experience. I tried Infosys. Infosys is my dream company because when I was a fresher in 2013, I passed out in the year of 2013, guys. So when I was a fresher, I tried to write a Infosys exam. So it was like Infosys campus at STP campus at Gachibowli, right? It was fantastic, mind blowing campus actually. So I felt like, okay, if I get a job, I want to get the job in this company. Then, after 4 years, I got an opportunity again with Infosys. I cracked the interview and I joined it. For one day, 1 week, it was induction. It was fantastic. This is a ECC building. And going forward, I thought like when I join Infosys, they will give me Infosys infrastructure to check everything. So, but I joined here. They said you're in bench. What does it mean, bench? It means clients will call you. You have to clear the interview. Are yeah, I gave an interview and I joined in Infosys. Again, I need to give an interview to get a project. So I was not aware of it. I was going through that. The first 3 months with my team, whoever is joined on the day one, right? So we had a lot of people who are in bench, 20 people. So we are enjoying. That's it. Nothing. DJs, parties. A party means like within the campus. It's a Pocharam campus. You can see. So yeah, I felt after 3 months, I felt that at the time I was very passionate about networking. I did a CCNA certification, and the Infosys BPA, I mean the project mapping HR, right? He mapped the project with a SAP project. It is completely non-related to me. I asked him why you map this project to me, and how can I give an interview? You don't need to give an interview, just go and work. I said no. It is not even related to me. It is not even related to my technology. How can I work? So the delivery manager and managers call me and asking me that they try to convince me. I didn't agree, sir. At least 10% of the networking is there and I can work, but it is not related to that. And then what happened? They said, we will give a red flag to you. Whatever the flag you can give it to me, but I don't want to. So they just mentioned skill mismatch. That's it. Okay. So after that, I got a project with Calix. It's a networking device only. I worked for 3 months. I really, not feeling good in a MNC companies like, oh, this is the work culture here. So you have to get a project. Even you get a project, right? I asked them to work on MPLS. I worked on MPLS. I asked him, hey, I had an experience on MPLS. Can you give me a task on MPLS? Hey, MPLS is a huge thing. We cannot give it to you. They said directly to me. Arey, yaar, I have an experience. At least you can take an interview and check it. So yeah, so I felt there is no growth here if I stay. So if I complete 6 months, right, probation period is completed. Now 3 months is a notice. 3 months is a notice is a big deal for us, right? So quickly I resigned it before completing completion of 6 months. And if you resign within the 6 months, the notice period is 1 month only. Okay. Then I got an opportunity with tag. This is where I learn everything. So till here I have a 4.5 years of experience. I have done a lot of things, but I don't know packet level. Once I join as a Juniper company as a tag engineer, I learned everything, guys. I'm telling you, that's how I'm here now. I'm teaching you at packet level. Okay. So this is it. From Juniper to Nokia. I joined in Nokia in, uh, you know, Corona time. That's why there is no picture. After that, I joined in Amazon. After Amazon, I'm in Oracle now. Okay. So yeah, because of the security reasons, I'm not providing any picture here, but you can find my vlogs in YouTube as well. Okay. So the thing is, this is my journey where I was and where I am right now within 10 years. It's all about passion towards the technology. Okay. So don't worry about feel. If you see, the destination is already written, guys. You cannot choose the destiny. If you really think, I want to do this, I want to, if the God will wish all your dreams, so it doesn't make any sense, right? Simply చెప్పాలంటే మనం అనుకున్నదంతా జరగదు. Whatever you want to do, it cannot happen. So the destiny already written it. Do hard work. Okay. Automatically the destiny will choose you based on your hard work. I'm telling you. Be- you know, during the BTech third year, there is a subject called computer networks. Okay. Computer networks is a subject. That subject is all about internet. I failed in that subject in BTech because of some family reasons. I did not attended the exam. I did not write any. This is it's my favorite subject. If I write it, I will get a low score. That's why I did not write it. So supply, through supply, I got a good score. Out of 70, I got a 45 or 49 something. Okay. So yeah. So the thing is, you know, that subject gave me clarity. Okay, this is how it started. Communication. So I started doing I started investigating on it, how internet works. So I came to Amirpet. In Amirpet, I have seen so many institutes who will teach CCNA. So I come to know that CCNA is the best course to learn about internet, but no one is good at the time. So there is a one institute everyone knows in Maitrivanam building. So the technologies, I joined that, and they didn't teach me CCNA well, but Microsoft Server they teach me. They offer combination of courses. So then after that, I travel a lot of people, and I find that so there is nothing clarity, from institute also. They are teaching multiple courses, which is unrelevant as well. Okay. So that's where from two to I always have a dream to establish a company. With the company I want to teach the subjects. It was my dream. I started this in 2020 Corona time. I helped 20 candidates to get a job, but due to some issues I didn't. So it has been 1 year now. On 2024 November 8th, I registered this company and I started this, guys. Okay. So this is all about it. Okay. Do not underestimate the power of field work. Okay. If you get a field job, here I have a lot of openings in field also. Field in means you no need to travel every day. Whenever the issue comes, you need to visit the site, you need to go. So it's up to you. Okay. We don't have only field jobs. We have a lot of jobs, not only field. So recently three people are hired in Adico. Adico, the client is Cisco. I will show you now. Okay. So once you completion of this course, right, you will get a lot of job roles. And these all are packages. Minimum package is 2.5 LPA, guys. Minimum package. It will go to up to 4.5 for freshers. It depends on your skill set. Okay. And now, okay. And experienced candidates, it will be depends on your skill. Here, whoever having 3 years of experience, they're having 14 LPA. And some students contacted me, whoever is 8+ years of experience, they are having still 5 LPA. So where is the difference actually? It is depends on your skills. Okay. So I started my journey with just 8,000 rupees per month. Now, can you imagine what is my package? Can anyone guess it? Which slab I'm under?
40 lakhs.
How you know, bro? Exactly. Have you watched any demo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for, yeah, my package is 40 LPA, guys. That is only fixed. Okay. That is only fixed. And there is a other shares. Do you know NIT IIT guys are getting 2 crore rupees, 3 crore rupees? Have you seen in news? Right.
అవును బ్రో.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, bro.
that is not complete package, brother. Out of 2 crores, they will give you 50 lakhs only fixed pay. Remaining 1.5 crore will be shares. That shares also
Yeah.
they that shares also they will give you percentage wise. Okay. So whatever you see in the internet, don't believe everything blindly. Okay. Yeah. So these are the packages, and it completely depends on your skill. Now I want to show you one thing. So in YouTube, there is a video, right? Recently, I have taken a interview for one girl, Uma. Anyone, does anyone has seen?
Yes,
So,
yes.
so
Yes.
she is working. It went viral. So
It will see
generally,
its
Yes, bro.
so you know what happened. She is working in TCS in digital infrastructure domain. She has 2.5 years of experience. I think two only, and she's working in TCS in Kerala. She joined an internship course. She learned everything. Fantastic student. She did all projects. She's completely non-technical. I'm telling you. Now I referred after this interview. I was I was stunned actually. Immediately, I called Juniper. One I know a lot of people in product-based companies. I called Juniper team and they referred her. Okay, she cleared all 4 rounds. Now she got job in Juniper. Her package was 2.5. Now, can you imagine how much she got? She got 14 LPA. Okay, so maybe tomorrow you may get the success story. Like this, there are a lot of success stories. Okay, that is the power of skills, packet level skills. Doesn't matter how come they will give you 400% hike. Product based companies will not give salary based on your present salary. Whatever your existing salary, that doesn't matter for them. For them, they have a slab. Each slab having some packages. If you are if you are suitable for that slab, if you have a good skills, you are suitable for that slab, and they will give you the package. Okay. So lot of career gap candidates think about it. Hey, I have a lot of career gap. So if you go to anyone, right? They some people, hey, you have to put fake experience. No, guys. If you see in my YouTube, people who are passed out in the year of 2011, they got a job as a fresher. Doesn't matter. Skills matter. Career gap doesn't matter. Education gap doesn't matter. If you have a right skill, I will send to you my clients. Okay. Currently, I tied up with almost 14 clients. Every day they're contacting us because I'm giving next level training, packet level training. Okay. So once you complete Juniper, I'm providing certifications also, right? Once you complete Juniper certifications, you will get like this. It will valid for 3 years. Okay. So yeah, night shifts will also be there. And one more thing, people are thinking about packet level, right? See here, there is a tool called Wireshark. All network engineers should learn this Wireshark tool. Generally, cybersecurity and ethical hacking team, they use this, but we have to use it. If you want to learn what exactly is happening behind the internet, you should do this. From day one, I will teach this Wireshark tool. See, if you click on this packet capture, right? See, currently you will see a lot of data, right? This is all about what? This is my voice data. I'm talking, right? You guys are listening through Google Meet. This is my voice data. Okay. This is the packet capture. In this packet capture, see, you cannot see a lot of things, right? Let's see about my company. What is my company website? So it's
తుంగభద్ర
www.tungabhadra
నెట్వర్క్స్.
networks.in. Okay. So this is my company public IP. Okay, this is my company IP. So guys, don't ask any technical question. I'm just showing the power of packet capture. Everything will discuss in class. See, I'm trying to filter with my public IP. So this is the only thing. See, I just a ping, right? This is a packet capture. Now let's keep this packet capture here. Open my website. Open this website here. See here. I'm trying to do www.tungabhadranetworks.in. Tungabhadranetworks.in. Okay. So now after clicking, see now, once you enter any website on your browser, what exactly will happen? You see, it is loading some data. Are you seeing it right? Yes or no? Have you seen some data,
Yes.
right? So just
Yes.
see, I'm clicking on CCNP here. See, it is loading some data. Similarly, Amazon.com or Flipkart.com, PhonePe.com, whatever it is. So when you click on it back and it is something is happening. This kind of stuff I will explain you in class. If you know this stuff at the back end, you will be a pro network engineer. That's where they're giving huge package to you. Whatever you're learning outside CCNA, so CCNA syllabus also you can see. People just they know what is routing. There is a routing protocol called OSPF. What is OSPF? They used to say OSPF is a open shortest path first. They're giving abbreviation. They're just giving a syntax how to configure OSPF, but there are a lot of things. What are the OSPF packets, hello packet, DBD packet, link state request? What are the fields inside that? What is stubby area, NSSA area? I will teach everything at CCIE level. I'm not doing business. Just everyone can enroll CCIE. I can teach. No, 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 no. My intention is like, if you want to learn any concept, you want to learn that concept from scratch to advance. That is what you know so whatever the industries are currently looking for, I prepared this course myself. See, phase one, I'm giving very huge importance to the basics. If you don't know basics at packet level, there's nothing. People who are having 10 years of experience, they don't know basics. They don't know how exactly ARP is learning. What is ARP, gracious ARP, reverse ARP, proxy ARP? What does it means? Everything you will learn here. Okay, so guys, check the syllabus. Okay, so I design completely, I'm telling you, I designed this course as per the industry standards. Okay, you will have night shifts, and again I'm telling you, for freshers experience and everyone, you know we will refer you after the training. So how we will refer you? There is a process. Once you completion of this training, we will take internal interviews. There are 3 rounds. Okay, then we will refer you accordingly. So let me discuss. Now the question is, you got idea, right? How internet works? What is the behind the internet? What are the devices? Once you complete this course, what kind of job roles you have, and what is the importance of packet capture? Everything you understood, right? Now
Yes.
I would like to tell you, sir. Lot of people may ask, I'm a non-technical guy, I'm a fresher, I'm a technical guy. Which course is suitable for me? Right? Everyone would like to know this thing, right? Yes or no? Hello? So,
Yes, Ramesh.
so freshers,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
freshers,
sir.
all freshers. Now listen carefully. All freshers. Who will call them as a fresher? People whoever is not doing any job. People whoever is already done job. If they don't have relieving letters or any experience letter, they will consider as a freshers only. People may say, I have taken a salary through cash. No, that cannot acceptable by companies. And people may created a fake certificates. I will not encourage that. Do the job, whatever I'm giving task, do that. I will provide you a job as a fresher only. So fake experience letters, I will not encourage. Anything related to fake, I will not encourage. And if you are a fresher, you are a fresher. That's it. So for freshers, take a freshers internship program. Freshers internship program. So this program consists of CCNA, okay, and then JNCIA, okay. So CCNA, I will teach you at packet level, and JNCIA, I will teach you everything, and I will provide you global certification. For certification amount also we will pay. For global certification amount also we will pay for you. Until you pass it, we will pay it. See how confident we are about you. Okay. Until you pass it, we'll pay for the certification. And along with this, free courses. If you enroll this right, you will get, you know, you will get free communication skills training. Okay, communication skills are very important. If you know English, but the thing is, here we teach communication skills and personality development skills. Personality development skills means it's not how physically looks like. It's not like that. Okay, so it is all about, it's all about how you need to speak with your colleagues, like how to write a professional email. So they're not aware of it, right? My company HR, she has a senior HR in TCS, and she will teach you. She joined here and she will take care of everything for candidates. How to interact with your peers, colleagues, how to write an email, how to talk to them professionally, how to improve your communication. So that is a 2 weeks of training that is absolutely free here. And also here we'll give you free Linux training. Okay, free courses are communication skills and what is that? Communication skills and Linux training. Okay, free communication skills and Linux training. Okay, so here this is the thing. Now, what is the internship course fee is 26,000 plus GST. So Linux is very important. This Linux training is for networking, not for administration. Why Linux is important? Nowadays, all the operating systems built with kernel, right? Built with Linux kernel. You should know Linux commands. Wherever you go in network automation, developers, everyone should know Linux. Very important. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So we need to update this as well. So Linux I have added for freshers. Why? Because recently after checking with a lot of clients and all internally, so AI is evaluating, right? So Linux skill should be there. So that's why I added this, and this will be complete course for freshers. The duration is almost two months 15 days. It means almost 75 days. Okay, so but however, after completion of CCNA, we will immediately take internal interviews and we'll refer to the clients. Okay, background you will learn this at the parallel or after the course. Okay, CCNA is 30 days, 25 to 30 days, depends on the public holidays and all. This is all about freshers, guys. Everyone understand? Hello, freshers. Is it you
Yes,
got
sir.
clarity, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
some people may think I need only CCNA. It's up to you. I need only CCNA. Yeah, it's up to you. You can take whatever you want. Okay. Check with my team. So my team members are here. You can see, right? He's a CFO. So any finance things or anything, EMIs, anything, you can talk, contact him. These guys are the placement officers. We are also providing network automation, you know, uh, internship. I'll explain it now. And this is my technical team. So Palo Alto course will be taken care by Karthik sir and Harsha sir, both. Okay. They are Palo Alto tech engineers. They are from Palo Alto. And Juniper, she's a Juniper tech engineer and network automation engineer. She will take care of automation stuff. And these all are my network engineers. And there are 4 more employees joined 2 months back. I have to add them. So these two guys, Varun and Satyasai, guys, freshers and experience. These two persons are very important. After completion of the course, right? You need to contact them. They are placement officers. We have taken a Canva subscription. We will give you beautiful resumes to you. So you no need to purchase again. We will give you templates to you. We will prepare your resumes. We'll take care of everything. Okay, this is my team. So to enroll the course, right, contact my team. These are the two persons, either Varshini or Chaitanya. So if you want to know any course information, right, please contact to them. In case if you are getting a busy tone, contact to Vamshi. Okay, these are the placement officers as well. These are my team. You'll get a details in website as well. Okay, here, where is it? Tungabhadra Networks. So here, if you go home, right, here, you will see all the contact numbers here. And one more thing, guys, we are giving you recorded session for every class. Okay, so CCNA class, go to CCNA training recorded sessions here. Okay, so we will give you password. Whoever is enrolled, right, we will give you password to them. Every day PPTs. Okay, and recorded sessions in Telugu, English is already there. Apart from this, I will give you daily recorded sessions, CCNJ, CCNP study guide, command sheets, interview question and answers, which was prepared by me, especially at packet level stuff. Okay, you can download it and prepare it. Everything we have, everything. And guys, once you enroll here, it's a permanent membership. We will give you a digital ID card to you. It's a permanent, lifelong access to you. Okay, it's a lifelong access. It's not like after 2 months. No, it's not like that. It's a lifelong access. If you want to visit the office, show the digital ID. If you want to access remotely, we will give a password to you. Okay, for learning, there is no limit here. Okay, so yeah, this is all about it. And coming to freshers is completed, right? This is the freshers. So CCNA Juniper along with certification and Linux training and communication skills training. This is all about internship course. Guys, check about my training, my videos, how exactly we are teaching. Check it in Google or YouTube. In YouTube, you will come to know, right, how the technology we are explaining it. So if you want to purchase any product in Flipkart or Amazon, you will check it both ends, right? Check it. Check it at the both ends and compare it. If you think it is genuine and really good, yeah, please enroll it or else take your call. Okay. So recently, if you see, right, recently these are the candidates who got joined recently. Okay, so people are selected in Adico recently. Yeah. uh so where is it? Freshers. Yeah, yeah, here. Okay, are you seeing it? September 28th August he got an offer letter. The joining date is September 1st, right? 2 days back he joined. Raghavendra, I just posted it. So Adico is my client. Okay, so we are sending a profiles to them. So yeah, we are not charging any single penny from client as well as you two guys. Placements are 100% free here. Okay. After training, we'll take internal interviews. We'll send the resumes to the clients. That's where the clients are believing us. We earn the trust from my companies, clients. So they and also the students, freshers, right? They are giving a answers like a experienced candidates. That's why they felt very happy and they need a candidates from my company. It's not institute, it's industrial training, right? Yeah, that's why. So people are asking every day for freshers, experience and all. Okay, we'll keep on sending them. Still, a lot of people are selected, and placements team is sending to me these offer letters. They will take care of it. So my placements team, yeah. So yeah, this is a one more offer letter we got. So Hidiko, who is his name is. So we referred three candidates. Out of three, two candidates are selected. One candidate got rejected because not about technical. He was shivered actually. Okay. So Pranit is a guy. Okay. So they got three LPA guys. They got three LPA. Okay. So yeah. So this is a recent. If you see right, he also got 28th. His name is Pranit here, and there is a another guy here, Raghavendra. Okay, they placed in Adiko. And if you see, we have a separate groups for freshers placements. We have a freshers group. Are you seeing freshers job placements? We keep on posting jobs. You can apply it. And experience, we have a separate group. Experience. So for whoever is US, right? For US also we have a separate groups. We are used to post. See, so we used to post. Okay, so there are a lot of consultancies. I know. I mean, a lot of means people. I'm not charging anything. I'm just transparently I created a group. They're talking internally. That's it. I'm posting it. Okay. So yeah, I'm trying my level best. To provide a jobs to you guys. That is my aim actually. Everyone is came here to get a job with good packages, right? So that is my aim. To fulfill your dream is my dream actually. My company dream. Okay. So this is how it is. Okay. Uh, I will show you a lot of offer letters. See, recently one of the girl who is doing masters in US, she got it. So AT&T, she got it almost 120K. It means almost 1 crore package. She got it. Are you seeing it, guys? Here,
Yes, sir.
120K dollars.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, it's Kenwood. Okay, yeah. So like this. So recently, you know, one of the person she joined in Snehalata got in Juniper. She got it. She See her success story. I uploaded in YouTube as well. Her package was 4 LPA. She directly got 16 LPA. 16 LPA in Juniper. Okay. So lot of people, see, lot of people are getting jobs. Okay. 18th August, in August last week only, 18th August, you know, Intertouch and 30 July. So this is my regular STPL is my client. Still there are openings. So we are still sending a candidates. Okay. See, August 7th. Every week people are selecting it, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. Yeah. It's all about freshers and experienced candidates also. A lot of people are getting job, but you know, I'm not taking success stories because they want to hide their, things. Okay. Yeah. So for experienced candidates, right? Let's discuss about experienced candidates. Okay. Go to fee structure here. You will see here for core network internship. Okay. Networking core internship program. Okay. These are the courses we are offering it. Okay. So let me keep it this here. Okay. For networking. So who would like to take core networking internship? Whoever. Uh, yeah. Whoever is non-technical and technical, you can take it. Okay. Where is that? Here. Yeah. Here. So yeah, let me take this. So this is core internship thing. One second. Let me reduce the size. Okay. Oh my goodness. It is selected everything. So I would like to select only this. One second, guys. So core internship program. These are the courses about core internship. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So core internship program. So core internship program. So who can take this core internship program? So experienced candidates, technical and non-technical, very important. Even non-technical people, technical people. If you have a proper offer letter, relieving letter, right, you can take this. So CCNA, CCNP, Juniper. So here we will give you training on. This is a core internship actually. Okay. The core internship will consist of these three courses: CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto. Okay. These three courses will be considered, and if you take this core internship, right, these are the free courses. Below are the free courses. We will give you Juniper training, but you need to just spend 5,000 rupees for your certification. That's it. And communication skills training will free, and Linux for networking is free, and real-time project. This is very important. What do you mean by real-time projects? Already I am teaching you the courses, I mean classes with real-time world labs only, but here in this real-time project, you will get like, training on ticketing tools. See, these are the contents. See, this is generally for outsiders, 15,000 rupees. Okay. Yeah. For insiders, we'll give you 5,000 discount. Okay. Generally. So generally, if you see, right, here it is 2 weeks of course. It is real-time project. You will understand the architectures first: data center, service provider, and enterprise architectures. And what are the hardware issues daily? You will get a tickets, right? Hardware level tickets, how to do RMAs, how to request for RMA, and scenario based routing and switching questions, and P1 P2 tickets. If you get a P1 P2 tickets in critical environment, how to handle it, monitoring tools, ticketing tools, interview preparation, everything. So we have a mentoring group here for real-time projects. Okay. For real-time, especially for experienced candidates and all. So this real-time project mentoring group. So me and my colleagues, so we will explain with, see, this is a ticketing tool. So we'll explain with, real world issues, how tickets will get, how you will get a, complete package. You will get everything. It's in my office. Okay. You will get it here. Okay. So we will give you one-to-one sessions also after. So what we can give you here is this real time, this core internship program consists of these three courses, and we'll give you free courses: JNCIA training, communications, and Linux for networking. Apart from this real time project training videos we will give you. Once you watch that videos, you can contact my team. So who are senior engineers, me and Ranga and other people are there. So we will give you one-to-one session in case if you still have any questions. We will prepare your resume, roles and responsibilities, complex environment stuff, everything. So this entire course, the cost is 36,000 plus GST. GST is another thing, guys. Okay, it's as per government standards. Yeah. So I was waiting. Actually, GST is reducing it, but not for these services. Only automobiles, other stuff they are reducing it. I was eagerly waiting. Anyhow, so CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto, these three courses. This core internship consists of these three courses. Okay, along with this, all courses are free, absolutely free, and we'll give you resume preparation, reference also. Like I gave a reference, right? Yes, we'll give you a reference, but the only thing is you need to prepare very well, and we'll take an interview. Once you qualify internal interview, then only we'll refer it. Otherwise, we cannot send the candidate to client because we have to maintain the trust and the quality. Okay, this course duration is completely 3 months. However, after completion of CCNA, right? After completion of CCNA, you know, we will start working on your resume. CCNP, I will, you know, very high standards I'll teach you. CCNP like MPLS, advanced BGP with communities, like L2 VPN, L3 VPN, VPLS, lot of things. You will see the syllabus in website about CCNP. Apart from this, we have a automation, network automation internship program also. You can just check it here. Okay. So if you see here, right, automation, just check the syllabus here. Okay, you will see everything. In automation, we will include CCNA. Okay, and so where is it? So CCNA plus Linux plus networking automation projects. It's a combination of all these. Python also. So if you already know Python, learn CCNA and networking automation projects. It is good for you. Okay. So guys, network automation internship, I have taken that demo separately. Just watch that video. Here it is there. So network automation demo. Okay. Give hashtag Tungabhadra networks. You will get it. Okay. Yeah. So what is network automation? How it is important? See here. Very important. Just watch either of that video. You'll come to know. Okay. So that is all about I would like to explain, guys. Now still if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. One by one you can ask me. Okay. So you guys are still here with me. Is it boring? Almost 2 hours, right?
No, sir.
Yes. No,
So
sir.
I think you're watching a Bahubali movie without boring.
Ramesh, sorry for the interruption.
Yeah.
Most of it will be actual. I want to go to message.
Sorry, one second. Yeah. So I will take your questions. I'm going to stop recording now because the questions are one to one, right? I don't want to put in public, so I'm stopping recording now. Thank you so much, everyone.